Night has fallen on Faisalabad, but this part of town is still wide awake. These power looms are running 24/7, a rare and welcome achievement in this manufacturing hub. Over the last decade, Pakistan has suffered from a severe energy crisis, and scheduled power cuts lasting up to 16 hours a day have taken a toll on the textile industry here.
More than 20% of the factories were closed, and all the factories who were working, they were not working on their full capacity. For example, if a factory is having 50 machines, they were not 50 were not working. Only 35, 40 machines were working because electricity depressed and they gave losses to everybody.
The textile industry employs 30% of the workforce in Pakistan and constitutes the majority of its exports. But this crisis has killed a third of its production capacity, forcing many to lay off workers and sell their factories, unable to compete with India, Bangladesh, and other rivals. Those who survived did so at a cost. This textile giant was forced to buy generators to keep production going in case of gas or electricity load shedding. But using diesel is expensive, meaning the company operates at a loss several months a year.
We have no alternative because we can't close, because our buyers are very sensitive and they are one of the biggest buyers in the world. So we have to supply on time, the quality, timely shipment, everything we need perfect. If we don't supply in time, then we will go into loss and we will lose our buyer.
An impossible compromise for smaller businesses who rely solely on the public electricity network. Aware of this, the government has made the industry's power supply a priority. It has vowed to end power cuts altogether by the end of 2018, counting on new plants currently under construction.
Recovery has started. It will take 2 to 3 years to come out of this crisis clearly.
In the meantime, gas and electricity prices have skyrocketed. Boosting competitivity will now be the challenge. But there's a long way to go. Exports have continued to fall by 13% in the first 9 months of 2016.